everyone, this is your Uncle Carl Azus on the loose, and you are watching BHNN. That's the Boerne High News Network, because when it comes to learning, you're about to feel the burning.
Welcome back to another episode of BHNN. I'm Xander Cloudy. Thank you, Carl, for that great introduction.
And I'm Michael Russell. We have an exciting episode for you all today. Let's get right into it with the sports update.
Cross-country teams participated in the Boerne ISD Invitational. They truly performed, and varsity boys were named 4A meet champion, and varsity girls were named 4A runner-up. Great job, guys.
The volleyball team starts with their second round of district tonight against Davenport. Let's help our Hounds by filling up the bleachers.
The BHS tennis team destroyed the Fredericksburg Billies. They won 16-3. Their next match will determine the district championship as they take on Wimberley at home on Wednesday.
The Boerne High School football team is looking to improve to a 6-0 record. They take on Uvalde this Friday.
That's it for your sports update, Greyhounds. Last week, we published a story where we exposed what happened to us in our homecoming poster. At Boerne High School, we need to make sure that we respect others, but also we can all spread kindness. What's up, Boerne High School? Last week, we aired a segment where we showed you the vandalism that happened to us. But at Boerne High News Network, we believe in spreading love and kindness and forgiveness. We met with that culprit to make amends.
All right, Boerne High School, I'm here with the man who did the deed himself, who vandalized the BHNN Hoco poster. Come on out.
I'd like to apologize for my deeds and what I did. I hope we can make amends.
You see at Boerne High School? That's the power of spreading love and kindness. See something, say something.
As you all know, the Boerne High School barn dance is quickly approaching. Do you guys know how to giddy up barn style? Well, professional dance instructor William French is here to teach us.
Hey guys, my name is Will French and this is BHNN, and I'm going to teach you how to get your boogie on for the barn dance. First thing to do the two-step is you're going to find the nearest railing, you're going to kick it like this, you're going to frolic like that, then you're going to go out here, and you're going to boom, 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 and that's all I got for you.
Cash my check, clean my truck, put on my hat, forgot about work. Sun going down, head across town, pick up my baby, turn it around. Good time. Oh, I need a good time. I've been working all weekend, I'm tired and I don't want to sleep, and I want to have fun. Time for a good time. Hey!
Thanks for watching this episode of BHNN. Make sure you enjoy your fall break, end of the 9 weeks. Only 3 more to go till summer vacation. I'm Michael.
I'm Xander. Have a great week, Greyhounds, and we will see you next time.